Please make sure the components and tools you received match the user manual. Basic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the wooden dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Pick the bushes and attach it to board 1 and 5. Pick board 2 and attach the door magnets. Follow the same for boards 3. Make sure to attach the door magnets closer to the smooth side of the board. Attach board 2 to board 1 and rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 3 to board 1 and rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Now attach board 4 to board 1. Pick the board 5 and place it flat on 2, 3, and 4 boards. Make sure the smooth sides of the boards are on the same side. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Carefully turn the unit upright. Pick board 6 and attach the metal panels. Attach the hinges on both sides of board 6. Now attach board 6. First insert the bottom plastic hing, then slowly straighten the board, and the top hing will be automatically inserted. Attach the round knob with the given screws using screwdriver to board 6. Follow the same for board 6. Attach the backboard to the unit with the given screws using screwdriver. Your product is ready to use.